equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power off your Asus UM425Q and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, carefully flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a plastic spudger or your fingers, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the hard drive bay. It should be clearly marked, and you may see a protective cover over it. If there is a cover, remove it by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Now, you should see the hard drive connector. Check if the hard drive is properly seated in its slot. If it appears loose, gently push it back into place until it clicks. At this point, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using compressed air. This helps maintain optimal performance and prevents overheating. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can have peace of mind. Once you've ensured the hard drive is securely connected and the area is clean, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement. Now, power on your Asus UM425Q and enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F2 or delete. In the BIOS menu, navigate to the storage section to check if the hard drive is detected. If it appears here, your hard drive is functioning correctly. If the hard drive is not detected, it may indicate a hardware issue. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Our service includes a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In conclusion, checking if your Asus UM425Q detects a hard drive is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Always ensure you handle components with care and consult a professional if you encounter any difficulties. With the right tools and knowledge, you can maintain your laptop's performance effectively. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.